We're about to make yummy, yummy, yummy salad dressing. It's like the perfect salad dressing, I think. Here's how to do it. Here's what you need. You need something to mix it up in. So here's a little glass container that used to have Burt's Bees like face cream in it, but it's just the right size to make salad dressing for two. You also need this super, super awesome vanilla bean olive oil. This is from an olive mill in Queen Creek, Arizona. So if you don't live here, I don't know, hopefully you can find someone who makes something this wonderful, because this is really good. Okay, then you need some lovely honey. I'm using raw mesquite honey from Arizona. If you can't get mesquite honey, get a variety local to you. It tastes delicious. And you need some sort of white wine vinegar. This is a really good one. It's not from Arizona, but a friend of mine who lives here now saved this and brought it with her from when she used to live in California. And she doesn't use it much, so finally she realized how much I like cooking, and she thought this was a really special white wine vinegar, and she gave it to me, and it's delicious. Okay, now here's what you gotta do. And I'm gonna put these in the opposite order that I normally would, but it's because the olive oil is messy and I have to account for getting that on my camera. A little white wine vinegar, a little honey, about equal proportions. Yeah, baby. And a little vanilla bean olive oil. Alright. Then you put your lid on and shake it up. No, honey's not mixed in yet. You can kind of tell that the honey's still sticking. So you're going to shake it until the honey and the olive oil and vinegar kind of really emulsify together. Turnip. Delicious.